White is a new trend. Like seriously, such a classic looking color, right? I have a lot of stuff in white. In fact, my recent gaming PC is white. Lot of accessories, including headsets, are also white. So thing is, now in the PC industry also, a lot of people are actually going for like complete white themed gaming PC setups. So whenever you build like a brand new PC, obviously you look for a good case, right? So on budget, you should get like decent airflow, RGB lighting should be there, and all these sort of stuff. So today I actually have like a good product to show you all. It's a brand new case from Gamdias. The model is called as Athena M6 in white color and actually has like pretty interesting features at a very affordable price tag, guys. Main thing, it's got like good airflow, guys. Complete mesh panel is there, and main highlight is it's got like RGB light strips on the body, guys, for underglow sort of effects, and has like 4 pre-installed RGB fans on board. So plenty value for money, I felt, and thought, chalo, I have to make a video on this. Can be helpful for a lot of people. So this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So guys, our brand new PC case from Gamdias came in this sort of box packaging, and the model we'll be checking out today is their all new Athena M6, that too in the white color edition. It's a mid-tower RGB PC case from the brand and offers a lot of features at a very affordable price tag. We'll be talking about all of the features, designs and main highlights as well in the video. First, let's get started with the unboxing. There is nothing much mentioned on the packaging, so let me quickly grab my knife, cut this seal on the package, take the PC case out and show you. And by the way, this case is available in 2 different colors. You have your regular black edition, and this is a special white edition color that we'll be unboxing and checking out in the video. And there you go, boys. The case comes nicely packed as usual, and oh wow, look at this beauty. Looking gorgeous, right? So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the product, and then we'll talk about all of its design, main highlights and also features. Athena M6 White is a newest addition to their PC case lineup, and the main idea behind this was to offer maximum airflow and beautiful RGB lighting at an affordable price tag. It's a mid-tower PC case with panoramic mesh panel on the front side and has a perforated design on all the sides for good airflow and ventilation. Initial impressions, case looks very beautiful, especially in this white color. Minimal class design, just the Gamdias branding on the front and nothing else, guys. Build quality is also nice. Brand has definitely stepped up their game. And talking about the fans, the case can support a maximum of up to 6 fans on board, 3 on the front, 2 at the top and 1 at the rear. And crazy part is the case comes pre-installed with 4 120mm ARGB PWM fans out of the box, 3 beautiful fans on the front and 1 at the rear. The whole RGB lighting can easily be synced with your motherboard software and can even be controlled via just a click of a button on the front panel. And that is not it. Main highlight is on the bottom of the case. You see this white strip all around the corners? This is a dedicated 3-zone RGB light bar that gives you an underglow sort of effect. Gamdias, are you guys kidding me? There is no need to use any third-party lighting accessories at all, guys. Everything is over here. Peak RGB madness going on in this case. And good job with the paint quality also. And talking about the motherboard, the case supports up to Atx motherboard sizes and 6 fans can be installed as I mentioned before. Everything can be neatly organized as you can see. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the radiator also, right? Radiator compatibility. You can fit a 360mm radiator on the front, or you can even go for like a 240mm at the top side. And the case is wide enough to easily support triple fan GPUs also, even up to 340mm in length. So that's it, our quick unboxing and overview. And talking about the price, the case costs somewhere around like 5,800 rupees in the Indian market. Links will be in the description box below, you can check it out there. But keeping that aside, there's one more important thing I was waiting to talk about, and that is it's new year, right? 2023, and I will be coming back with a brand new season of budget gaming PC builds. A lot of people have been commenting in the recent videos asking, Vimal, when will you bring back 2023 editions of 40k gaming PC build, 50k gaming PC build, AMD and Intel editions? And you know what, I'll definitely be working on that, and amazing videos will be coming soon in the next couple of weeks. Now keeping that aside, I did get a couple of comments as well asking like, Vimal, can you also build like ultra budget category PCs, maybe under like 25,000, under 30,000? And you know what, I'm taking that as a challenge and will definitely try to do that also. So guys, what sort of videos do you want to see? Tell me about the content that you're interested, and I'll definitely work on that in the coming days. So that's it. This is what I wanted to share with you all in the video. If you all enjoyed watching it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.